How to download Google Docs for a laptop or PC. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to do that, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Chrome browser first, and after you do that, you can head over to Google Docs. So you can head over to the apps from this homepage of Google Chrome itself. Open up Google Docs. You can just go ahead, scroll down from the section and select Docs and open it up on your screen. Once it opens up, you should be finding this interface. So at the top right of your browser, you can head over to the three dot, and this time head over to this cast share option. After that, go to the section and you should be finding install Paste as an app and create shortcut. You can do any. I'm going with the first one. Click on this install Paste as app and you should be finding this pop-up. Go ahead and click on this install option. After that is done, wait for some seconds and you should be finding Docs being downloaded on your screen. So that is how you download apps of Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.